So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a Euro bank account here on the RBC Mobile application. So once the RBC app's opened up, I want you to go into where it says Accounts Overview and press on Open an Account, or go to the bottom right and press on More, and then scroll down to where it says Products, and then press on Open an Account. Once you're here, it'll say what accounts you're looking for. I want you to go to where it says foreign currencies, save, receive, and exchange foreign currencies, and press on that. Once you're here, in this case, you want to open up a Euro bank account. Scroll down to where it says RBC Euro e-savings account, receive, hold, and exchange euros. Press on that. Once you're here, it'll show you what comes with the account as well as the tiered interest rate at the bottom. And if you want to see the fee table, press on the fee table right here, and you can check what fees are associated with the account. So once again, this is in the euro in regards to the currency. And if you want to open this account and proceed, go to the bottom, press on Open an Account in Minutes, and then follow the steps that way. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open up a Euro bank account on the RBC Mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.